guys, Chrissy Beauty here. Welcome to my channel. Today, this is the look that we are going to be doing. So if you want to learn how I did this to my face, keep on watching. So I'm going to go in with Playground. It's very bright blue. And I just love bright colors. Okay, so pick that up, tap off the excess, and I'm going to go directly into my crease with that. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go directly into my crease with that. And I went in with it's a Color Noir, I don't know, S22 brush. It's a very small brush. Doing the same exact thing to the other side. Same color into the crease, blending slightly above and below. It helps for the color melt later. It's gonna look a bit messy, but that is when the cleanup happens with the rest of the colors. Keep in mind, we're gonna go in with a lot of colors, so. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Escape, very dark purple from the James Charles palette. Using the same brush, just cleaned it off a little bit, and a towel, and we're gonna go in on the lid. The outer corner, blending that in. And doing the same thing in the inner corner, starting from out and blending in. Okay. Every time I do my opposite eye, I always start with my inner corner first. I don't know why. Also, I can't close this eye, the same way I close this eye. Is that weird? Do you guys have the same problem? Oh, am I like out of camera? Do you guys have that same problem? Okay. And then doing the same thing. Now taking a clean Morphe M506 brush. It's just a small detailing brush right here. Taking this one, we're gonna go in with, what is it? Brother. It's like a periwinkle blue in the James Charles palette. So we're gonna go in with that one and a little bit of Cape Cod. And we're gonna put that right in between both the purple and the blue here and blend that out. We're gonna take Social Blade first. It's like a light green in the James Charles palette. So we're gonna take that and use that to blend out the blue right here. We're going to take B from the James Charles palette and blend that right above the blue, except on the inner side. Melting it in with the green. then pressing it in with my fingers. I'm going to use my Tarte Double Duty Beauty Foundation Primer, Shape Tape Foundation, that's what I meant to say, in shade Light Medium Honey. Applying it to my beauty blender. A little bit what's left on my forehead, just there. Okay. Now I'm going to take my Infallible Pro Matte Foundation shade 104. I got eyeshadow on my chin. Now going in with the Tarte Creaseless Concealer in shade Medium Sand. I'm using the RCMA No Color Powder to set. And then using my Morphe M527 to apply the powder all over my face. Alright, using my Morphe M506, I'm going to pick up Playground and Cape Cod for my lower lash. Okay, now I'm taking a Morphe M431. I'm gonna go in with Daddy. I'm applying that directly to my lash line. Using a cleanish brush, just a regular brush, I'm just gonna blend that all out. Okay, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. Ow. I have a cut on my thumb, so that hurt. While that dries, before I put lashes on, I'm going to finish the rest of my face and contour it in blush. Going in circular motions around my hairline, towards the cheekbone, and then dragging down. Such a difference. Going into my Anastasia Glow Kit, I'm gonna go in with Crushed Pearl. taking a small detail brush from Coastal Scents, I'm going to go on with Crushed Pearl and apply that on my brow bone. And my inner corner. As well as applying that to the tip of my nose and my Cupid's bow. Okay, I'm gonna go in with NYX London, my favorite nude. Alright guys, that was the final look. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not already subscribed as well. And if you guys have any suggestions or ideas, please feel free to leave any comment in the comment section below as well, and I will link the lashes and everything that I use as well in the description box. Thank you, and I will see you guys in my next video.